Shri Sairam. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Basic Geometrical Ideas Part 2. In the last class, assignment was given. Now we will look answers for it. Consider the following of line Mn and state whether the following statements are true or false in context with the given figure. First, look at the figure. Q, M, O, N, P are points on line Mn. By looking at the figure, we can say that the statement is false. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. The statement is false because O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. Line segment is OP, but N is midpoint. O can be endpoint, but they are saying that both are endpoints. So the statement is false. O is not an initial point. True, because O is at midpoint. Ray OP is same as ray OM. False. M, O, N are points on line segment Mn. It's true. So today we will learn curves, angles, polygons, under polygons, quadrilaterals and triangles. And let's solve some problems too. Curves. So this can be called as curve, right? For example, for curve is movement of snake and movement of water in the sea. Waves will be coming, right? It will be coming in the shape of curve. There are two types of curve. One is open curve and closed curve. You can observe here this curve, here it is open. And this curve is completely closed one. Some more examples for open curve I'll draw and show for you. This is also an open curve. Open curve. Closed curve examples. Same thing can be drawn as closed. Now let's move to angles. An angle is made up of two rays meeting or intersecting at a same point. You can observe here ray NM and NO. Their starting point is N. Both have common starting point and they are meeting at point N. So here you can observe a curve. If two rays meet at a point, they form a curve. The formation of this curve is nothing but they are making an angle. Here you can observe by using papers it had been done. So these flakes of paper, these both are rays. They are meeting at this point and here angle is formed. So we can write it as angle M N O. Angle M N O. Polygons. Polygons A polygon is a plane closed shape or figure with straight sides. So, polygon is nothing but a closed figure, but the sides will be straight. Okay. Here you can observe this is a one of a polygon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see AB and AD. Both rays are meeting at point A and forming angle. Okay, here they are forming angle. In the same way, AB and BC are forming angle. AD, DC are forming angle at the point D. BC and AD, DC are forming angle at the point C. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles and 4 sides. Square has 4 angles and 4 sides. Pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-sided straight geometrical figure can be called as pentagon. Under polygon, square, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, still many more geometrical figures will come. But pentagon has 5 sides. If a geometrical figure is enclosed by 3 straight sides, then it can be called as triangle. If the sides are 5 and they are straight and they are enclosed too, then it is said to be pentagon. Hexagon is 6-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, number of sides are 6 and it is enclosed. Also, sides are straight. We can't see if this can't be a triangle because sides are not straight. Fine. Triangles. Even triangle is also a polygon. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangles. A shape or figure enclosed by 3 line segments or sides is called as triangle. So, if a shape has 3 sides, that too they should be straight and it must be enclosed, then it is said to be a triangle. Even triangle has 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. Tri means 3. Okay. 3 angles and 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Fine. Even this is also a triangle. This is also a triangle. Even it goes same with that because 1 side, 2, 3, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. 3 angles. Even it is same with other 2 angles too. Maybe shape it may look different, but they have same sides and same number of angles. Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, a shape or figure enclosed by 4 line segments or 4 sides is called as quadrilateral. If the number of sides are 4 and the sides are straight, also they must be enclosed, then it is called as quadrilateral. Example for quadrilateral can be rhombus, rectangle, square. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, a 4-sided geometrical figure is said to be a quadrilateral. This is rhombus, and for example for rhombus can be, it is diamond, the diamond has some shape, right? So that can be example for rhombus. Rectangle, your cell phones. Square, it is also 4-sided figure. Example for square can be computer screen, especially PC. PC screen will be in the shape of square. Parallelogram, rectangle. Even these are also quadrilaterals because even they have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle. In the previous slide, it was placed in this way. Now the position has been changed. That's it. Even this is also a rectangle. Opposite side and adjacent side. Here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. As it has 4 sides, we can call it as quadrilateral. First, let's know about opposite side. AB is one side and CB is another. 2, let me number it. DA is third side and DC is fourth. So now AB is opposite to DC. AB is opposite to DC. So side AB is opposite to side DC. As I have written here, opposite side for DC is AB. Okay. For DA, CB will be the opposite side. That is, for third side, second side will be opposite. Adjacent side. Adjacent side is nothing but DA and AB. These are two sides. Okay. But the end point of AB side is going to meet end point of DA. Both the end points are meeting at point A. DA and AB. These are two sides. Both are meeting at point A. So, AB is adjacent to DA. Also, DA and DC. Both are meeting at point D. So, DA is adjacent to side DC. Adjacent side for DC is CB and DA. Adjacent side for DC is CB and DA because see DC is a side, CB is also a side. Both are meeting at point C. So, adjacent side for DC is CB, 1. And one more is DC is also meeting the side DA at point D. So, for DC, DA and CB are adjacent. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. Open curve. So, this is open curve because there are 1, 2, 3 sides may be there, but they are getting turn here. Okay, fine. So, it is open curve. It is nowhere it is enclosed. Okay, it is not at all enclosed anywhere. So, it is open curve, closed curve. Even closed curve examples can be triangle, rectangle. All polygons can be example for closed curve. Even this is example for open curve. Second question. Draw a polygon and shade its interior. Fine. Here we can observe a pentagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides. And they have asked us to shade its interior. Now, what do you mean by this interior or exterior? So, 5-sided, it is enclosed figure, right? The whole part inside this enclosed figure, this is said to be, this whole part, this is said to be interior. And outside this, whatever it might be, it is on exterior. So what they have asked us, draw a polygon and shade its interior. So we have shaded this pentagon in green color. They have asked us a polygon and shade its interior. We have took a polygon. Even pentagon is also one of a polygon. We have shaded its interior region in green color. Draw a triangle and shade its exterior. Here in a square, triangle is present and triangle's exterior is shaded in reddish brown color. So they have asked us to draw a triangle and shade its exterior part. Okay, we have drawn the triangle, but just for a border region, I have took it as square. Inside square we have placed a triangle. So now outside square we have shaded in reddish brown color. That is nothing but exterior part of triangle. This is outside the triangle. Outside the triangle, whatever it is, we will call it as exterior part. If it is inside the triangle, then we will call it as interior part of triangle. They have asked us to shade exterior part. So outside part of triangle we have shaded in reddish brown color. Name the angles in the figure. So you know very well that if the angles are, if the sides are 4, then it is said to be quadrilateral. Even it has 4 angles too. In this they have asked us to mention 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles are there. So angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD state. So they have asked us to draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral, means 4-sided geometrical figure we can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rough sketch. Okay. Adjacent angle of angle A. Angle A. For angle A, which is adjacent? Angle B and angle D will be adjacent angle. 2 pairs of opposite angles. For angle B, angle D is opposite. For angle B, angle D is going to be opposite angle. For angle A, angle C is going to be opposite. Assignment. In the given figure, name the following. So here is a geometrical figure, triangle, and it has 3 sides, 3 angles. It has some points on it and some are outside and one point is inside the triangle. Name the shape, name any 2 angles in it, name the points on the figure, name the sides of figure, name the exterior and interior points of figure. One more question. In the given figure, name the following. 2 pairs of adjacent angles, 2 pairs of opposite angles and a pair of diagonals. Try to name a pair of diagonals too in this. So about diagonals we'll explain in next class, but try to know about diagonals too. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you.